The General Broach CNC table-up surface broaching machine utilizes state-of-the-art technology to generate a quick, smooth, and accurate cut. There are a total of 4 moving axes on this machine. The vertical Z-axis drives the table up as the cutting motion, while the horizontal X and Y axes accurately position the part prior to the cutting stroke. The 4th axis is an optional C rotary axis that rotates the part about the Z-axis. This is useful for surface broaching round parts such as jet engine turbine discs. The HMI contains the familiar FANUC interface in a simple and easy-to-use format. The table assembly runs on precision linear rails with preloaded roller bearing trucks. This ensures that the motion of the table is accurate and free of horizontal play throughout the cutting stroke. The CNC surface broaching machine is outfitted with an automatic tool changer. The tool changer removes the entire tool holder from the machine and replaces it with a second holder in a matter of minutes. Another benefit of the CNC broach is its overall energy efficiency. Unlike hydraulic broach machines where the power unit is constantly running, servo motors consume little power when they are at rest. These energy-efficient machines are available in capacities up to 25 tons broaching force and 96 inches of work table travel. The CNC table-up surface broaching machine is just one example of General Broach's commitment to design, manufacture, and deliver high-quality broaching products and services which meet or exceed the unique needs of its customers.